Hello kids. Welcome to Baby-Babble. Are you ready to learn your letters? So let's get started. A. A is for ant. Have you seen ants in your backyard? B. B is for bear. Can you growl like a bear? C. C is for cat. Can you meow like a cat? D. D is for dog. Do you like to play with a dog? E. E is for elephant. Have you seen an elephant before? F. F is for flamingo. Do you like flamingos' pink feathers? G. G is for giraffe. Do you like giraffe's long neck? H. H is for hippo. Can you open your mouth wide like a hippo? I. I is for iguana. Have you seen an iguana before? J. J is for jellyfish. Do you like its umbrella-shaped body? K. K is for kangaroo. Can you hop and jump like kangaroo? L. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? M. M is for monkey. Can you climb a tree like monkey? N. N is for narwhal. Can you dive deep like a narwhal? O. O is for ostrich. Have you seen an ostrich and its big egg? P. P is for penguin. Do you like penguins? Q. Q is for quail. Have you seen a quail before? R. R is for rhino. Are you strong like rhinos? S. S is for snake. Can you hiss like a snake? T. T is for turtle. Have you seen a turtle hiding in its hard shell? U. U is for unicorn. Have you seen a unicorn in your storybooks? V. V is for vulture. Do you like their long, strong beak? W. W is for worm. Can you crawl like worms? X. X is for X-ray fish. Can you see its bones through its translucent skin? Y. Y is for yak. Do you have long hairs like yak? Z. Z is for zebra. Do you like zebra's black and white stripes? Okay kids, now you know your ABC. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe. Baby-Babble.